Hi, I'm Nick Wise, and I just spoke about how precision regulation can help restore our ocean. So our ocean is under threat from human activity. Our activities have caused devastating declines in almost all marine ecosystems. But it doesn't have to be this way because almost all of these activities are already regulated. They're just not well enforced. Over the past 5 years, there's been an exponential growth in technologies. With satellites and drones, we can now see the entire surface of the ocean. And when we employ things like AI and machine learning, we can draw insights from this data like never before. So we can start to pull out these insights, compare them to the rules and regulations, and really drill down onto where and when non-compliance is happening, and what regulators and indeed the industry can do in order to make a difference. And so we can look at problems like illegal fishing and overfishing, which deplete fish stocks. We can look at the shipping industry, which generates over 1 billion tonnes of CO2 equivalents of emissions every year, leaks oil and fuel into marine ecosystems. We can see all of these problems as they occur, and we can work with regulators in order to take action against them. All of the tools that we need for this precision regulation are already available. The satellites, the AI, the people, the rules, they're all there. All we need to do is come together, understand the art of the possible, and make use of these capabilities to enforce the law.